This is Mr. Smith, and here's a quick tutorial on how to save and export things in Sonic Pi. Now, to start off, if you've got a song created in Sonic Pi, and this is pretty simple, I'm not going to say that this is high quality here. All you got to do to record it is you press the record button, and then you press run. And you make whatever change you need to make while it's playing live. You hit run every time you want the changes to go live. So like, let's say for example I want this live loop to actually stop playing partway through the song. I can comment code out by putting hashtags in front of it. I press run again. It hasn't stopped recording, but now it's no longer playing this thing here. It is just playing these other two things. And I can bring this back by getting rid of these. Last one, hit run again. And now it has added this one back in. Now, with that done, when I'm done recording, when it's been long enough that I've hit the requirements for the song that I'm making, I press record again. And now it's going to ask me to save my file. So I am going to name this sample song because that's exactly what it is. It wants to save it to my desktop. I can change that to documents or downloads or whatever. By default is WAV file. I can't change that, so it's probably going to be a WMV file. Press save. I think I got that suffix wrong, but at this point I should have something on my desktop. Sample song, there we go. And what is the suffix for this? WAV. Okay, so it's not an MP3, so it's not the best kind of file type for this, but WAV will work for any assignment in most cases. If it doesn't, you'll also have access to a tutorial that shows you how to turn that into an MP3 file. That's good to go. But if you are making something in Sonic Pi for my class, I have probably asked to see your code as well. Well, to share that code with me, you select everything that you've typed up. You can right click and copy it and then paste that into a comment in Google Classroom or a Google Doc and add that to Google Classroom. So long as that text is in one piece and I can see it and I can copy paste that text into Sonic Pi, or say do a Google search to see if you just copied that code from somewhere else without making any changes. Hint, hint. Try not to do that because you will get caught. Well, as long as I can check the code, it should be okay. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.